Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we'll learn how to install Dev C++ on Windows 11. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your web browser. Then search for Dev C++ download. You'll see the official website, but it's usually slow. Instead, click the alternate download link. I'll include that link in the video description. So this is the website. You can see it's popular with a high number of downloads, so it's safe to use. Click download. A new page will open and the download will start in a few seconds. The download has started, wait for it to finish. When the download is completed, open your downloads folder. Right-click on the exe file and choose Open to begin the installation. Select your language. I'll keep English, but you can choose any language you prefer. Click OK. Accept the license agreement by clicking I agree. Keep the default components selected. This will install Dev C++ along with the compiler and create a desktop shortcut. Click Next. You'll see the installation location. It only needs around 346 megabytes, so the default path is fine. Click Install and wait for the process to complete. Once the installation is finished, you'll notice a shortcut on the desktop. Uncheck this option and click Finish. Now let's launch Dev C++. You can search for Dev C++ in the Start menu and open it. Or use the desktop shortcut. Dev C++ is opening for the first time. Select your language and click Next. Here you can customize themes, icons and font styles. I'll keep the defaults, but you can always change them later through the Options menu. Click Next. Then OK. Dev C++ is now ready to use. To start coding, go to File, click New, and choose Source File. I hope this helped you get Dev C++ up and running. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.